மாணவர்களின் சிந்தனைகளை வடிவமைக்க SNS Institutions, மாணவர்களின் தனித்திறமைகளை மேம்படுத்த SNS Institutions, மாணவர்களின் சாதனைகளை போற்றும் SNS Institutions கோவை.
Hi everyone, this is R.Vijayakumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Today we will see about energy meter in real-time example. So first of all, what is meant by energy meter? So I think you know the energy calculations and all. I think many of the people are paying the electricity bill to the government, that means the TNEB, Tamil Nadu Electricity Board, based on the energy or based on the power utilized. So how they are calculating the power? So they need to some kind of calculations. So before that they need some kind of meters. So that meter will identify, the meter will measure the amount of energy consumed for the particular time duration. So normally the energy is calculated with the help of unit. So the unit is nothing but 1 unit equal to 1 kilowatt hour, that means 1000 watts per hour, that means 1000 watts consumed per hour, that is called as a 1 unit. So how the energies are calculated? So the energies are calculated with the help of energy meter. So energy meters are normally analog type and then digital type. So most probably they are using a analog type of energy meters. And then digital type of energy meters, nowadays the TNEB promoted the digital energy meter, and also they are replacing the analog energy meter into digital energy meters. So this is called as a digital analog and energy meter. So I think the ports are visible in energy meter. So in energy meter, so this is called as a dial. So this will be indicated how much energy consumed or how much energies are utilized. And also we have two coils. So one is for a current coil, another one is for a pressure coil, otherwise it is called as a voltage coil. So how we are identifying which one is current coil, which one is a voltage coil? So the current coils are normally, it is a thick wires or a thick copper wires, and also the low or less number of turnings. And also this is for a pressure coil. Pressure coil is normally thin coils or a thin wires winding in more number of coils windings. So this is for a disc. So this disc is used to rotate how much rotations are completed. For example, in this analog energy meter, 1500 revolution per unit or 1000 revolution per kilowatt hour. That means once 1500 revolutions are completed, it will calculate it as a 1 unit. So, and also we have in a shaded pole here. So this is for a shaded pole. So this shaded pole will give some uniformity of flux coils to the energy meters. And also we have in a 4 terminals, namely input phase, neutral, and then output neutral, and then phase. And also inside the coil we have a number of turns, and the number of coils, number of wires are connected here. And the discs is made up of aluminum, so it should not affect the magnet. So the working principle, when the supply is given to the energy meter, the voltage coil will be energized, because we have in a voltage absence of load. So when the load is connected, the load coil or a current coil will starts to get energized. So when the voltage coil energized, it will produce the flux. That flux is called as a pi 1 flux, and then when the current coil is energized, the flux is produced, that is called as a pi 2. So pi 1 flux and then pi 2 flux, it will create the resultant flux or a resultant torque. That torque will make this starts to rotate the disc. And then disc is attached with the help of one spindle, common spindle. The common spindle is connected here. So see, so this will be the gears. So this gear will attach with the spindle. So how much number of turns rotated, the corresponding gear also starts to rotate. And also we have a digitals. This digit, so this digit will be a starting digit. So it will start from 0 to 9, and then once it will complete 10 turns, the next digit will move on, and then next digit, next digit. Normally it is called as a ones, tens, hundreds, and then thousands. So based on that, it can able to calculate 9999 units totally consumed. So this is the energy meter analog type, and then back side it will be made up of some metal portions, and also inside the meter we have a spindle, current coil, voltage coil, and then dial or a digital, and then disc, So the disc is attached with a common spindle, and then bottom of the spindle we have a pivot system. This pivot system will help to handle, or it will float the disc inside the coils. Okay, so I hope you understood the working principle of energy meter. And then energy meter is normally used to measure the energy, how much amount of energy consumed at particular time durations. I hope you understood the concept. So we will see next topic in the next class. Thank you.